So don't mind my hair. I have been super busy lately and I'm really excited about it. I have some prints in the works, I have a painting in the works, and I have this really cool 3D piece that I'm working on, currently getting the vectors ready and gonna bring it to Toronto where we're gonna have it laser cut, pick up some materials and get shit done. So I wanted to take this as an opportunity to bring you guys along with me as we finish those series of pieces, which includes this painting right here. More to come on that. I'm driving to Toronto tomorrow. I have to wash the Camaro today. I have to print the prints and complete the vector file. So my dad always said that a guy who knows how to wash his car keeps a damp chamois. I kind of want to do 2 more laser cutting projects while I'm in Toronto. I mean, I'm not going to be there again for a little while, and I might as well make the most of my time down there. You know, trying to cook up my creative juices here. I've been working on this stuff for a few weeks now. So I think I'm just gonna do it. You know, I want to have a few good projects that I can look back on. But for now, let's jump into this 3D work. All right. So I decided I'm going to be making this maybe a little bit bigger than 12 by 12. I think we're gonna do 12 by 16. Yeah, we'll do 12 by 16. Okay, so we got a lot of the clock done today. I'm super happy, I'm super stoked. We have all the vector files pretty much ready, and for the laser cutter, I mocked up some color options as well. I'll show those now. We're headed to Toronto tomorrow. It's currently 9:30. Hopefully get up around 9, 3-hour drive to Toronto, pick up our supplies. I think we can get everything done tomorrow. But until then, I guess I'll see you guys tomorrow. Alright, it is the next day. I am just getting up. It's currently 9:12, so we almost slept for about 12 hours. Alright, getting the coffee made. Gonna have a smoke, and then we're gonna head out. Alright, so I have to pack up my computer. I am gonna need it when I'm in Toronto. Unfortunately, I don't have a laptop anymore, so this will be fun. Yeah. Let's get it going. My dad always says that when you wash your car, it's guaranteed to rain. It rained last night. Gotta have the jewels. Everything is packed, we are ready to go. I do have enough gas to get to Gravenhurst where prices are about 5 cents cheaper. Hell, even if they're 2 cents cheaper, I mean, 2 cents a liter is pretty good. It should be a good trip. This weekend I'm headed to a friend's cottage. You ready for this? Mint. We're in luck. We found a Tim Hortons an hour out of town. We're gonna get our smoothie on now. We have our smoothie. Not bad. Some of the girls in that Tim Hortons were pretty cute though. The workers there. Best thing about getting off the highway is getting back on, which means we have to reach speeds of 100 kilometers an hour pretty quick. This car is capable of that. Let me show you. Second gear pull at 44. Woo! Gas here is $1.15. In North Bay, $1.20. Like I said, we save 5 cents a liter. So before we get to my brother's place, I'm going downtown Toronto. I have to pick up some supplies. I have a list of stuff that I'd like to get for the prints, as well as for that 3D piece. I guess I'll have to get 2 now, considering I'm doing 2 3D pieces. Can I just leave these up here? I got a lot of stuff on the back. Thank you. Well, we made it here to Toronto. I'm just gonna stop in at my brother's place, get my stuff down, and I gotta format the laser cut files for the size of the laser bed, and I have to get these prints print ready, so more to come. Say hi to the vlog. Why not?
No,
Why?
because I'm sick.
So I just spoke to the laser cutting services and found out the size of their bed. Now that I know that, I can make the artboard on Illustrator the same size, and that way the laser cutter knows what to do. And I will cut this cardstock I got today for the 3D pieces to match that same artboard and laser cutting bed size. That way we get the most efficiency across the board. Once that's done, we'll save them up, and we will hit up the laser cutter tomorrow and to drop them off. So pretty much what we have to do is separate each layer of our piece into a different layer in Illustrator, which is what we've done. We have 7 layers at 39 inches by 23 inches. So that means we'll have to cut 7 pieces of our board for each layer to bring in to have laser cut. That doesn't include the clock piece either. So, and that one is 12 by 24. So, I mean, what can you do, right? All right, it's now day 3 of our art exploration. Today's a busy day. We cut some of the pieces for the laser cutter. We didn't have enough. We only got 4 layers out of what we bought yesterday. So I'm gonna head over to Above Ground again. We'll pick up some more supplies. We're gonna go to OCAD and cut those supplies. Above Ground and OCAD right beside each other, and once the material is all cut and sized up, we'll head over to the laser cutter and drop off our files. After that, I'm headed to Minden to have some cottage time with some of my homies, so it should be a good weekend. It's the Labor Day long weekend. here at OCAD and I am cutting the pieces for the laser cutter. What I've done is I've included a 1-inch border on each side to fit the piece in. That way, if there is a little bit of a different orientation, the piece will still come out fine without hitting the edges of the artboards. They always make the stupid caps for these clear plastic, and you can never find them after. Got it. We're looking for 960 College Street. I didn't want to film too much in case they got offended, but I had a really great time in there with Steve at Toronto Laser Services. We just shot the shit and talked about art and the possibilities of some of my illustrations. Him and his partner there really liked it, the two pieces, and they said they're really stoked to do it. Yeah, I'm really happy, and I got some new ideas in mind that I'm excited about. All right, we are here on our way out of Toronto. We got the laser cutting done. We didn't get the prints done, but we can do those in North Bay when we return. Getting gas, and then we're headed up to Minden with the squad for a weekend of beers and marijuana. Say hi. Hey. Gas time.
Smooth, mate.